Well, look who we have here.
So I do believe the role of crypto is it's digitizing gold in many ways. Instead of investing in gold as a hedge against inflation, a hedge against the onerous problems of any one country, or the devaluation of your currency, whatever country you're in. Let's be clear. Bitcoin is an international asset. It's not based on any one currency. And so it can represent an asset that people can play as an alternative. I would call the foundation of Blackrock is about hope. You invest for retirement because you believe tomorrow is better than today.
kalicooncrypto here. Thanks for tuning in. Quick piece, Blackrock spot Bitcoin ETF. They are partnered up with Coinbase as a surveillance sharing partner, okay? Now, when it comes to Coinbase and Blackrock, they've been in cahoots for a while. If you didn't already know, in the past, all right, Blackrock has teamed up with Coinbase's Coinbase Prime product to allow Aladdin clients of Blackrock to buy and store cryptocurrency on Coinbase, okay? So that's happened in the past. Blackrock and Coinbase, they're buddy-buddy, they're in cahoots, whatever you want to call it. Like I said before in many of my previous videos, Coinbase is that chosen exchange in the United States. It just is what it is, especially when you have big money like Blackrock dealing with them. If you don't know what Aladdin is, Blackrock's Aladdin is a trading platform. It is AI powered. It's been around for decades, okay? And a lot of big money, high net worth clients and institutional investors use Aladdin to trade, right? And some people even think that Aladdin pretty much controls the market at the end of the day. But either way, do your own research on that. But here's the deal here. When it comes to the Bitcoin ETF, the SEC, they want a sharing agreement. They want to be able to see what's going on with that Bitcoin ETF, who's trading it, how much it's trading for, at KYC, etc., etc. Okay, so it says here that Blackrock has chosen Coinbase as a surveillance sharing partner. Now, what does surveillance sharing mean? Okay, it says here it allows for information sharing about market trading activity, clearing activity, and customer identity. That's what the SEC said. So Coinbase is, or Blackrock is like, all right, I got you guys. We're gonna go ahead and get our homies Coinbase over here, and they're gonna be dealing with the surveillance sharing. Okay, so go ahead and pass this ETF for us, all right? Here's the deal as well. When it comes to when it comes to Blackrock and ETF filings, they're like 201. Okay, so Blackrock, when they file for an ETF, as you know, they own the whole world, right? When they file for an ETF, they have 200 wins and 1 loss. Okay, so as far as this ETF coming to fruition, yes, I do believe we're gonna have a Bitcoin ETF in the future. Now, how long does it take for an ETF to come? Okay, it can take up to 200 days, man, or 240 days, something crazy like that. So it's not gonna be within the next month or the next week. It's gonna take some time. And during that time, you know, the Bitcoin is going to fluctuate. Some people think it's going to hit 12K. Some people think it's going to hit 60, 80K. I think that once that Bitcoin ETF gets closer and closer to coming, I think the price is going to go up and then it's going to dump. That's just the way the cryptocurrency space works. I think it's going to dump right after. It just is what it is, because people are going to buy the news, right? And they're going to sell it. I mean, that's just what it is, man, without getting too deep into it. So again, Bitcoin ETF coming, Blackrock and Coinbase again partnering up. Nothing new, connect the dots. Either way, man, crypto's here to stay no matter what they say. Get those bags.